for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, heated seats, remote engine start, power liftgate, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, fog lights, power windows, compass, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, remote keyless entry, tachometer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.